What's up guys, and yes, Galaxy Fold 2 is indeed not going to be called as Fold 2, and the reason we all know is the real successor to the original Fold with a phone plus tablet design. I've said you this multiple times in my videos, and now it is further confirmed by Korean media. According to a new report from Korea says that there will indeed be another Fold this year at the time of August with a phone plus tablet design, and that will carry the name Galaxy Fold 2. As for the clamshell version, so according to Ardent, it might still be the part of Galaxy Fold series but with an alphabet after the word Fold, like Fold A, Fold S or Fold C. And if this leak is true, then I think it might be called as Galaxy Fold E, and if not, then there are other options that would make sense like Galaxy Flip or Galaxy Flex. As for the specifications, so Honor has leaked that it will not be powered by Snapdragon 865 but 855, which is obviously the 2019's chip and still a fantastic chip. He also reveals that it will have a 10 megapixel front camera, which is similar to the Galaxy S10's front camera, which means that internals wise it would be very similar to the 2019's flagship Galaxy S10, Note 10 and Galaxy Fold, which further confirms that this is not a second generation by any means. Other than that, Korean media further reveals that this clamshell foldable phone won't be having a wireless charging and 5G as well, and Samsung is doing all this to keep the cost down, because of course foldable displays aren't that much cheap, and this version is expected to be priced at around $850 to $900, which is half the price of Motorola's Razr, which packs Snapdragon 710 chip. This report doesn't reveal anything about the back camera, but looking at the other specs, it may have the same cameras as of the Galaxy S10e, which is 12 megapixel main with 16 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. As for the release date, so this report further confirms what we heard earlier, that this clamshell foldable phone would start selling at the very same day after the Unpacked event on February 11th. I'm just curious about battery, because this foldable phone's battery was leaked, which was 900 mAh, and that was one side's battery. There's also going to be another side. I just hope it would have at least 4000 mAh battery in total. So that's all on the Fold 2 or maybe Galaxy Flip or Flex. Hope you enjoyed this video, so like this video and subscribe to the channel to keep updated, and yeah, see you in the next one.